Hello guys, my name is Jesus Segrera. Today I will teach you about certain slangs and their use in American English and British English. Slangs refers to a specific expression. The problem with the slang is how can use it, because it could be used by certain groups. It could be a cultural or ethnic group that we have care with the use of the slangs because can be offensive for certain group of people because can be inadequate or inappropriate usage in certain situations, in some situations that is inappropriate because the members of the group can be a cultural group, can be not set the means of these slangs or can be inappropriate for that. For example, in American English, we have some slangs. The first one is way to go. What is way to go? We can use this slang when we have a good job. When we do a good job, we can say way to go. Other slang is unreal. What is the means? Unreal means really cool. When something is really good for us, we can say really cool or unreal. This is unreal. Ghost is other slang that is commonly used by the American people. What means ghost or ghosting? To disappear or stop communicating suddenly. When a friend stops to communicate by WhatsApp or social media with us, we can say that friend ghosting me, or don't answer my calls, don't answer any message by WhatsApp. We can say that friends ghosting me or that friends is ghost. Other slang is squad. Squad is used for reference to a group of friends or an associate. Is the same means of homies, are good and close friends. Salty is other slangs. Salty is used when you feeling upset or bitter about something. TBT is other common slang used by the Americans. It means is sharing all photos or memories on social media. T is used normally by a gossip or a Jewish information. For example, we can say, spill me the tea. These are the most common slangs used to the American people. Now, refer the British slangs, we can found the follows. One of them, cheers. Cheers, it means is thank you. When somebody help you, you can say cheers. Other slangs is mate. Technically means friends. Mate technically means friends. You can use these slangs combined with other slang that is cheers. For example, you can say cheers mate is for real a good relation, a good connection with other people. Other slang that is used by the British people is taking the mick. Just means joking. You can say, don't worry, I only taking the mick. Other slang is taking the piss. Is the same means as taking the mick. Taking the piss can be offensive, and we have care with the use of this slang because it means also urinating, but in this case it means to be joking or mocking. The last slang that I want to teach you today is sort. Sorted is everything is under control. When we are sure about something, about the result of any situation, we can say everything is under control or sort. These are all the slang that I wanna to teach you today in this video. Bye bye. Thanks for paying attention.